Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add contacts on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add contacts to your iPhones, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your phone app. Just open your phone app here, and now just tap on this contacts option. And here you just have to tap on this plus option in the top right corner. And here you have to add a contact. You just have to add your first name, then last name. You can add a company for your contact. And after that, you have to add the phone number of the contact, and just tapping on this add phone. Then tap on that email. If you want to add an email address of the person, you can add that from here. Or you can also add any pronoun if you want to. Or here's the ringtone or text tone. You can easily change that or customize that for the specific person if you want. So these are some optional feature you can add them, or if you don't want, you cannot need to add them. So you have to add a phone mobile number. So for example, I'm going to add a random number here. Once I've added a mobile number, you must have to enter a name. So for example, I'm going to enter a name here. So once I've entered the name, just have on this done option, and your contact will be saved. Just have on this done option here, and you will get the contact. You are on the contact page. Now you can add the photo if you want, or you can make a call, message, or a video call from here. Just go back, and you will also get this contact into your contact list. Just scroll down and look for the name which you all added, and here you will get the contacts. In this way, you can easily add new contacts on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.